guys, welcome back to the channel. This is a new day and here is the Mustang. I'm here with my boy X. He's shy just like his dad, but it's cool though. We are gonna remove some stuff in the engine bay because Joey wants to take this one step further. He wants to paint the entire engine bay, make this look like a really good quality show car. So what we're gonna do, X and I, we're gonna remove some stuff on the side of the motor. He's gonna wrap the motor up and then paint it. What color it's gonna be, either the purple or white, I'm not sure, but I can't wait to see. So let's get started.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
Alrighty guys, so we are gonna prepare to paint the engine bay. What we're doing right now is wrapping aluminum foil to cover up the wires so we don't get these things painted. It's gonna go from blue to black.
I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place.
Alrighty guys, so we just finished spraying the entire engine bay black and it looks so good. The reason I went with black is because I didn't want to do white. I think white gets too dirty too quick. Black hides all that dirt. All I have to do is wash it down and it'll come back shiny just like this. So I'm really digging this black. It looks awesome. Joey did a really good job with it. So now what I'm going to do is reassemble everything back so we can get this car working again. Let's go. Alrighty guys, so we finally got the two doors out of the Mustang because Joey's going to paint the inside of the doors to give it that complete paint job. We're also going to paint the inside of these doors as well. So what I'm going to do is work on removing the wiring and the trim of the doors so that way we can have this really nice and neat paint job. Because after all, when you're changing the color of a car, you got to do it right.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight.
Guys, these headlights from Windjet are awesome. So they're direct plug and play. They're super easy. So all you do is take the original socket from your turn signals of your old headlights, you plug it into its original harness, and then you take the harness from the Windjet one and plug it into where the light bulb's supposed to go. So in this socket from the original headlight, the light bulb's supposed to be here. I removed the light bulb, which it's sitting over there. And then instead, in its place, I popped the Windjet harness right in. That's plug and play for the turn signal. And then the other plug goes into the high beam, low beam socket, right? And then there's one more red wire, which I'm gonna be wiring up. It comes with the harness, it's right here. I have to find an ignition source, and that's gonna power up my DRL. So I'm gonna show you guys that in a few. Alrighty guys, here is the update. So headlights are working fine. Look how beautiful those are. DRLs, the low beams, the signals. But if you notice, the signals are a little fast. And that's because I have no signals in the rear. I have no idea what's going on with it. The only way these signals work is if I remove, if I put this plug, which goes to my third brake light, if I put this plug into here where the bumper's supposed to go, right? and then I turn my headlights on, and once my headlights are on, then my turn signals work for the rear. I don't know what it is that I have to do. I don't know what's going on right now because everything's a little bit weird. I'm not sure if it's because maybe the doors are missing. I'm not sure what's going on. I know everything works in a series sometimes, especially with CAN bus and all these things in the computers. But I guess I just gotta wait till the doors come back on and the bumper. I don't know. I really don't know. This is stumbling me. So if I can't figure this out, I'm gonna have to get someone else who can. But hopefully we can figure this out. But I'm gonna keep you guys up to date. Alrighty guys, so you remember the problem that we had with the taillights? Well, I still haven't figured it out yet, so I'm gonna have to get some help on that. Like I said, I don't know if it's because the doors are off and that's giving me a problem. If that's the case, then I have to wait till everything's painted. And as you can see, everything is painted with the base of silver. So we do have a little color combination going on. We're gonna do the violet inside the doors. That's already painted silver. The doors here are gonna be silver, purple, I'm sorry. Purple in that, purple in the doors, purple on the bumper. Maybe a white strip here with purple. Purple on the side skirts, and the front bumper is also violet. I have to get a lip for it. The lip will be painted white, and probably the custom grille that I'm gonna get in it is also gonna be painted white. So we're gonna get started on this first thing in the morning. It's been a long day, so I'll see you guys in the morning. Alrighty guys, so here is the Mustang. It's pretty much all painted. The door jambs, everything is painted. We got the doors on, so I am gonna work on assembling the entire Mustang, and I'm gonna see you guys after it's assembled. Let's get it. From zero to hero, this eyesore was transformed into a one-of-a-kind work of art. Cars have a way of bringing people together. New friendships, connections, and possibilities have been created through this project. As true car guys and gals know, a project car is never truly finished. But we are one step closer to making our visions come true.